Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 20th of January 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, China has reported the discovery of an extremely large rare earth deposit in the southwestern province of Yunnan as it seeks to strengthen its control over global supply chains for critical minerals. It has potential resources of 1.15 million tons, including more than 470,000 tons of key rare earth elements such as praseodymium and neodymium, according to the Ministry of Natural Resources China Geological Survey. The incoming President of the United States has issued an executive order for the withdrawal from disposition for wind energy leasing of all areas within the Offshore Continental Shelf. This precludes the Bureau of Ocean Energy Management from holding any new lease auctions for offshore wind during the duration of the order for any, quote, new or renewed wind energy, leasing for the purposes of generation of electricity or any other such use derived from the use of wind. Mingyang's proposed wind turbine blade factory in Scotland, which is likely to cost £150 million, has been allocated £30 million through Scottish Enterprise, the Scottish Government's economic development agency. Additionally, Scottish Enterprise allocated £27 million to China's Orient Cable, which specializes in the subsea cables used to carry power to shore from offshore wind farms. Last Friday, Chinese wind turbine manufacturer Envision Energy and Kazakhstan Utility Systems broke ground on a wind turbine and energy storage manufacturing facility in Khorgos, Kazakhstan. The $40 million plant will have the annual capacity to produce 2 gigawatts of wind turbines, or 250 units, as well as 1 gigawatt-hour of energy storage systems, or 100 units. 60% of the factory's output is intended to serve the local market, while 40% is destined for export to Central Asia. The Ministry of Commerce in China issued an announcement on the final conclusion of the Trade and Investment Barrier investigation on the relevant practices adopted by the EU in its investigation of Chinese enterprises in accordance with the Foreign Subsidies Regulation. According to Article 31 of the Rules on Foreign Trade Barriers Investigations, the Ministry of Commerce determined that the relevant practices adopted by the EU constitute illegal and unfair trade and investment barriers to Chinese companies. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.